We are here.
Let's go, Tom.
Wow! The doors open by themselves.
This is a final boarding call for Flight 456 to Frankfurt.
That's the flight information board.
So we just follow what the board says?
Exactly. But we need to find the check-in counter first.
Please place your bag on the scale.
You're all set. The baggage drop is right over there.
Great, thank you. Good morning. Where are you flying today?
To Lego Island. Here are our passport for checking in.
Thank you. You are all checked in. Have a safe flight.
All set. Your bag is ready to go.
Dad, where is our bag going?
It's taking a shortcut to the plane.
The suitcases are beginning their journey on the conveyor belt into the tunnel.
They travel on a long, L-shaped conveyor belt to the scanner.
These suitcases need to be inspected. The scanner will check everything inside to ensure it's safe.
Afterward, the conveyor belt will transport the suitcases to the sorting area. Ground staff are ready to pick up the suitcases and load them onto transport vehicles.
They will take the suitcases to your correct aircraft.
Finally, the suitcases will be transported directly into the aircraft's cargo hold.
How to build baggage carousel. Step 1. Build a conveyor belt. Step 2. Build an engine. Feature 1. Move connection. Feature 2. Stop feature. Feature 3. Loop motion.
Now I understand how our luggage goes through security.
Next passenger, step right up. Have your boarding pass ready and proceed through the scanner.
Tom, you need to take off your backpack and put it in this gray tray. Have a safe flight.
Is this the waiting area?
Yes, we'll wait here until boarding.
Dad, I can see the airplane from here.
That's our plane. Not long now.
You know the airport secrets now, huh?
I know now, Dad. I'm so excited to get on the plane right now.
Good morning, passengers. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard. Please make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened as we prepare for takeoff.
In a laboratory.
How's the wave machine I ordered, Professor?
We're about to test it now. Let's take a look.
How awesome!
How to build the wave machine.
I'll build my wave machine in the shape of a fish.
Step 1. Build the engine. I'll add 2 L-shaped beams here. Add the gears. Add the motors. Step 2. Build the waving mechanism. First, I'll build the backbone. Next, I'll build the outer skin for my fish. First segment. Second segment. The tail. I'll use this fishtail flapping motion for my wave maker. Connect the engine to waving mechanism. I'll need 2 machines to make a full set. Let's test wave machine. Foam beads.
Are you satisfied with my wave machine?
Yeah, I totally want to buy it.
Wait, my ultimate wave machine is way better.
That one's so cool, so hard to choose. I decided to hold a contest between these 2 machines.
I'll definitely win.
I'll definitely win.
Though the 2 machines use different wave mechanisms, they generate equally strong waves. I need a boat to check which one is stronger. How intense! The boat just keeps drifting back and forth between the 2 sides. This is so hard to determine a winner. Your machines are amazing. I will buy both right away.
Help me, please.
Okay.
Let's go clean up the trash. There's so much trash on the road. Let's clean it up.
Mr. Hand, do you want to help them make a bigger modern door? Try another door. Daddy, can I buy some Lego sets?
Okay, son, choose your favorites.